We all know that feeling when a small interior detail just feels dated. This tiny 50-gram piece of aluminum claims to completely revolutionize the driving experience in your Audi, promising performance gains just from changing the gear selector. That sounds like a massive claim, right? Let's dive into the ZoYiFeng Auto Automatic Shift Knob, compatible with popular models like the A4B8 and the Q7. First impressions matter, and the exterior finish here is pure aluminum. It feels incredibly light, weighing in at just 50 grams, but the quality is immediately apparent. This isn't just a cheap plastic cover. It's made of high-quality, durable materials with excellent wear resistance, which is essential since this is one of the most frequently touched parts of your car. But the real story here is the technology. This isn't just a handle, it features electronic signal control. ZoYiFeng claims that by adopting advanced electronic tech, the shift response becomes rapid, improving the overall performance feel of the vehicle. While you won't suddenly gain 20 horsepower, that immediate, crisp engagement when you select drive or reverse makes the car feel significantly more responsive and modern than the stock unit. It transforms the interaction from mechanical to instantaneous. Beyond the tech, the ergonomics are spot on. The design is comfortable, fitting naturally in the hand, meaning those long commutes won't leave you feeling fatigued. And here's a feature I genuinely appreciate: space saving. Compared to some of the bulkier traditional levers, this design takes up less real estate in the center console. It makes the layout cleaner, more reasonable, and genuinely improves the space utilization rate in the cabin. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole interior feel less cluttered. Perhaps the biggest win for the average owner is the installation. ZoYiFeng promises simple installation steps. No complex tools, no professional skills needed. The idea that you can perform this upgrade yourself and immediately get a premium feel, and that rapid electronic response, is a huge selling point. So is this ZoYiFeng Shift knob worth the hype? If you own a compatible Audi and are looking for a high-quality, durable, and genuinely modernizing upgrade that offers both aesthetic appeal and a noticeable improvement in shift feel thanks to that electronic control, this is a fantastic option. It's a small investment for a major interior transformation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.